Overview of the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Welcome to M365 Professional. The Microsoft 365 Admin Center is where you manage your business in the cloud, such as adding and removing users, changing licenses, and resetting passwords. Let's take a look. To get to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, go to admin.microsoft.com, or if you're already signed in, select the app launcher and choose Admin. On the home page, you can create cards for tasks that you perform frequently. To add a new card, select Add Card. Then select the plus sign next to the card you want to add. We'll add a few cards to the home page. When finished, close the window. You can rearrange cards by selecting and then dragging them to where you want. To remove a card, select More Actions, then choose Remove. To view more admin tasks, expand the navigation menu. You'll find advanced configuration settings in the additional admin centers at the bottom. Let's take a look at a common task you perform in the admin center, like adding a user. Select Users, Active Users, and add a user. Enter their name and other information. Then select Next. Follow the prompts to finish adding the user. Choose Finish Adding, then Close. You can sort your active users by columns like display name or licenses. To add more, select Choose Columns. Select the columns you want to add, then save. Select a user to see more options, like managing their product licenses. To enable more features that come with your subscription, select Setup. Here you can turn on sign-in security, mobile app protection, DLP, and other features included with your subscription. If you need support at any time, choose Need Help. Enter your question, then check out the links that appear. If you don't get your answer here, choose Contact Support. To open a service request. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.